Hey boys and girls, today I'm heading out to a very beautiful dip spot under the Untersberg that I discovered a few weeks ago, but I was climbing the Untersberg so I didn't have time to stop. Now I'm going back to enjoy this beautiful waterfall. Gonna be some uphill hiking, possibly some running on the way up there. It's a really beautiful day. And I am feeling really clear in my vision for my life in a very new way. With thanks to my friends and the deep dialogues we've had, the experiences we've shared over the last month, and with thanks to the medicine of ayahuasca and LSD over the last month, all of which has really contributed to clearing out a lot of fears and constraints that I was living under, that I was identified with. I feel so excited about what's to come that I think a lot of the struggle that I've been experiencing is coming to an end. And I feel that there was a deep letting go involved in that, and a trust in love, a trust in really pursuing my right path, my mission, my choice, my desire, following that, and supporting the people I love to follow that as well. And it has really allowed a clarity of vision, clarity of energy for me to be sustained in recent days in a way that I've not experienced before. I feel a lot of space down here. I feel there was a lot of fear in my gut that I could really feel ayahuasca working on me in a deep way, in a very somatic way. And over the last couple of weeks, whatever was being loosened up has been progressively released. I feel I can breathe more deeply into my gut, into my belly, all of my breathing body in one motion. I'm very excited for the next steps. I'm very excited to sharing this with you all. I'm excited to participate in new opportunities, to meet new people, to meet again with old friends that I haven't caught up with, to see my family again. This next year is going to be dope. A little bit of local history. This is a watchtower built in 1252, and it sits here on the road from Berchtesgaden to Salzburg. Right down that road, probably 20 minutes walk, is Austria, and over here is Germany. We love steep inclines here, all the way up. All right, here we are. Now we just got to find a nice deep pool. Looking pretty good. That's a wrap, folks. Get some of this really fresh mountain water. Good stuff. Alright, time for me to head down. In about 30-40 minutes, I'm going to be leading a Dialogos and Fellowship group session. We're going to be exploring transformative dialogue and logos, flow, musicality, some really groovy stuff. Feeling pretty good about my rip and dip. That is to say, conscious cannabis combined with cold water immersion, and gonna walk/run my way back now to my home. Saying a little goodbye to the Untersberg before I head down. That's a lot of ginger. So I just finished the Dialogos and Fellowship session and feeling really a lot of gratitude for the experience, for the guys that shared that dialogue, exploring logos and flow, musicality, and going in really profound, unexpected directions, sort of guided by the heart. We ended up talking about grief and heartbreak and faith and surfing and a lot of different themes. All in all, though, I'm really glad to have combined my rip and dip earlier today. I feel like it really set me up well for this Dialogos experience, really allowed to put me in a great place to experience this flow. And this was only the third dialogue. We got 5 more to go, so I'm really feeling a deep sense of possibility and trust in the process that I've created and that is unfolding and being co-created by these great guys.